Welcome back to Cutie Girls! For today's video, we're gonna be making slime! So the things you're gonna be needing are container. We have two containers. We have two containers.
Detergent.
We have our Ariel liquid gel detergent for our activator.
We have two glues.
We use this glue.
Naubos na ganyan yung gold.
Oh my gosh,
And we have this.
what?
Our
Sequence.
designs.
You have sequence.
And last but not the least, the oil.
Yeah.
Oil. So we're going to put it in
Piece of oil.
that one. Okay.
So we're gonna be picking our. We're gonna be picking our slime ingredients first.
Yeah.
So the first, no, I meant our sequence. Kitty Girl Nikki will use gold.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be using silver, and I'm gonna be using this.
Yeah. Okay, and I'm gonna use this blue, and Cutie Girl Zoe will use purple.
So, yeah,
We're going to get started.
we're gonna use the camera here. Okay, so we're gonna be.
Ito sa clear. Ito na clear sa i-post. I-post na to din clear.
We have also our mixing
Mixing.
utensil.
Yeah. So this is the way we're going to mix it. So let's get started, guys.
So the first thing is to put the
Glue.
glue. We already did this on our last
Video.
video.
So hard. How can I open it?
No, I think you're opening it backwards. Oh,
It falls. Sorry, guys.
oh my gosh, how?
Wait a minute, guys.
Guys, so
We're going to put our glues. Okay, so I'm going to open mine. Oh, I didn't remember it has a cover.
remember. Oh, can you open it?
I think no. Oh yeah, I can open it. Okay, I can open it.
I can't.
Why?
I don't know. Oh, guys, look. We had our nails
No.
done.
So hard.
Why that again? Yours is the cover. Mine is that one. Wait, how about let's just please?
Yeah. I'm just going to.
Here.
Oh,
Oh,
oh my gosh.
oh.
Oh my gosh, what have you done? Okay, let's pour it, guys. 3, 2, 3, 2,
One.
1, go!
Go.
Da, 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 da. River bears. Mine is a bubble.
Oh, wait, also mine. A wink and a smile and a wrinkle time.
River.
We bear bears. Pa 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 la pa pa da 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 da. This is Zoe Cam.
And Nicholas Cam. Hey.
Guys, if you know, this is me. Wait,
Okay, guys.
this is me and Nikki.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's
Oh
me.
my gosh, I just spilled it.
Oh my gosh, what have you done?
I spilled it at this
Yeah,
side.
mine is just okay. Here's mine. Mine is
Okay.
just okay. But we didn't have color, guys.
Yeah, because we ran out like, yeah.
Because,
It got expired.
yeah, it's expired.
When I came here, it expired.
Because Critical Zoe is on
Vacation.
vacation on Cebu nga.
Yo.
Cebu nga. Okay, I think I'm
Okay, I
done.
think I'm done also.
So next is
So,
oh, so sorry. So next is
So, wait. We're just gonna be, wait. Let's
Wait.
mix it. Center.
just mix it.
There we go.
Let's mix it.
It's gonna be mixed.
Just remember, guys, On the right side, Scary Girl Nikki, and the left side is Scary Girl Zoe. Scary Girl Zoe, Scary Girl Zoe, Scary Girl Nikki.
Okay, so next we're gonna be adding the oil.
So first is Scary Girl Zoe. How many drops you put?
I didn't count.
I'm just going to put little by bit by bit. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I only put 10.
Guys, look.
Mine too.
I think I put 15.
What? 15?
It's getting bubbles.
Add the more oil, guys. Okay.
Okay guys, so I think the next is we're gonna be adding the sequence or after. I wanna add the glitter right now and then the sequence after I activate it. So I mean, oh gosh, no. The glitter just spilled. I didn't know there was still more glitter. Oh! Oh my god! Oh, it's getting bad luck.
We always have bad luck when we made slime.
Yeah, like the last video. Check out our last video.
Yeah. Because we actually have an accident with it.
Okay guys.
So here guys.
So yeah po, ito na po ang slime.
Actually, we speak Tagalog, Bisaya, except for Korean. Yeah.
Guys, it's Kitty Girl Nikki's
Birthday.
birthday. Where I'm gonna have a vlog on Kitty Girl Nikki's birthday at night.
Yeah, it's
Okay, I
actually
think it's done.
5.
I'm done mixing with this,
Mine too.
and I'm gonna add the glitter. Oh my gosh, it's spilling.
Why? Mine too.
See?
It's just like it's open already.
We got scammed. Just joking. Are you gonna add a lot?
I think I'm going to add all.
Also me. I added. Oh. Oh my gosh, it's raining silver dust. Or ice. Okay guys, so look at this, guys! So beautiful.
Pretty girl Zoe likes gold, but
No, I don't
she
like
just
gold.
used sometimes. Okay, here's mine, guys.
How dare you? I hate gold.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Guys, look at mine. Yours is so beautiful.
Oh my gosh.
I think some of the glitter just got on my eye. It's getting gray. What?
Others of the glitters is on the plastic.
Yeah.
It's stick on it. Okay, so we're going to add this butterflies.
I'm not gonna add all yet. After the video, I'm gonna be doing a ASMR.
Oh my god.
Eh.
I'm not going to use it all.
Why? Also me, because I'm gonna be doing it.
I'm going to design it.
It's called Charms, guys. We bought it on Etsy store.
Just going to use my hands first.
I'm gonna add like one. Just joking. Wow, it looked like a butterfly cake. Wait. Oh, by the way, it's like Mal and Evie slime.
Because mine is blue and I like Evie, and Kitty Girl Zoe has violet and she loves Mal.
Okay, guys, did you see our slimes? No, you moved yours.
Okay. Where's mine? I'm not going to say it.
Guys, look at mine. It's so big.
Yes!
And look at hers. It's so goldy.
Wait, I'll go to my... Sorry.
Okay, so let's.
We're going to mix it. Oh my gosh. I think this will be crunchy slime.
Yeah.
But sometimes when we put some things like this, it's gone wrong. The others. Oh, mine's yellow.
Mine's gray.
Mine's yellow, like brown. My slime sometimes is failed.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know what mean. I don't know.
Mine doesn't fail, just joking. So at my first, I didn't fail. It didn't fail, but when I add water to the last slime I made, it became jiggly and it doesn't stretch.
Look at the glitters stick on the bottom.
I'm gonna add one more.
I'm gonna add a lot more.
What?
I'm going to.
I think we're gonna activate. I'm gonna get the scissors.
It's okay. Oh my gosh, your money's falling.
Oh, my money.
I'm gonna get my money. I'm gonna put your money
We're
here.
gonna snip the Ariel.
Some new facts have come to light. Did you know a kangaroo is not a sheep's natural habitat?
Oh my gosh.
We found this in the souvenir shop. Hair meets coffee. Huh. Awesome. Voice analysis. Of the horses, piggies, and sheep.
Here's yours and here's mine. Guys, I'm excited to... Oh, wait. It's clean. Make sure it's clean. So the slime might be focused. Okay, so I'm gonna be activating mine.
Wait, where's the scissors?
Oh, here.
We're going to do it together.
Yeah, here's my activator. And she's still snipping her activator.
Activator. Actually, wait a minute, guys. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, ready? Get set, go.
Go.
I'm gonna add a bit in a bit.
Bit by bit. I only will going to do bit by bit so that it will be nice. Just like what Cody Girl Zoe do. On hers.
Guys, it's starting
Mine
to
Be activated.
go together.
My glitter's on the
We'll be
bottom.
back. This will be done in 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys. So, here is our slime.
The reveal. It's actually failed.
I think it's because of the glue. It's not fail.
But it's just like
Jiggly slime.
jiggly. It will not.
I know, it's because of the glue. The glue is not legit.
Yeah, it's not
I
Elmer's glue.
hope we used Elmer's glue instead.
Yeah, instead of that ugly glue that we use.
From the market. Not from...
It's from the Divisoria.
Yeah. Look. But I like it.
I like mine.
That's why the title is Silver versus Gold.
Yeah.
And both are fail. Nobody's
We
doing
fail.
it. But
So guys,
comment down below. Who do you think won? Wait.
okay guys,
Comment
so
down below.
If you like my slime, just comment down below. Hashtag gold glitter slime failed.
If you like my slime, it's so pretty.
Mine is so ugly, guys. Look at it, guys.
Comment down below. Silver, run out my hands. Silver, run out my hands. And it's hashtag yo. Just comment down below hashtag yo if you think I won, because I keep on saying yo for today.
Yeah.
Yo.
Just comment down below to mine. Hashtag gold glitter slime think it failed.
And I think we're gonna be doing another video for this, because I think I want to try again this glue.
Yeah. And then we're going to do
We're going to buy more glue. We're gonna do it again.
Okay guys, so
Thank you guys for watching. We're gonna be doing the thumbnail. Thumbnail. Okay.
So guys, if you like to watch more videos, Just subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, and comment down below, guys.
Bye, guys.
See you on next video. Bye.
And this is
Bye.